Welcome back to channel viewers. Tony and Annette at the Greens Adventures. We'll take you out for some food tonight. I think we're going to go down to, what is it?
Mustang Sally, is it?
And we'll give that a shot. We'll take you along with us. Well, we come back from we just come out the Prince Albert.
Prince Regent.
Prince Regent. Why call it Prince Albert? Prince Regent. I don't know. I haven't had that much. That still wasn't that strong, was it? But no, we'll go down here now. Call it chemist or pharmacy. See if we can get some the P20, and then onwards to Mustang Sally's. Yes, I know not big Mustang Sally's, but I hope we can get a seat in there. It's supposed to be really good, these smash burgers. Well, just been in pharmacy, halfway down towards Burger King, see if we get some P20, and they've got a few bits, but nowhere near what we want. So we're looking for factor 15, and they got factor 30, factor 50. We're only for a week, so we want factor 15. So let's go find somewhere else and find it. See if they've got it. Just going past Wax Your Shades now. I'll have to get a bit of a move on here. He's singing louder when I can talk. Anyway, on the way down now, we haven't found anything from anything to do with P20 yet. And I thought they'd done something about these scooters. More of them. It's a third one in 5 minutes. I mean, he got knocked down. Anyway, we'll just keep going down to Mustang Sally's there. Yeah. Who? Say again? No, they're one off P20. Come on. Oops. You see, just panty around and see how busy it is out on sea. Yep. You see the free bird coming back in. You got the crazy golf. It's not a bad bit of strip down here at night. Got all sorts going on. It's pretty busy as well. Boss gone crazy. Everything inside half price. Everything inside half price. Right.
Come on.
Keep going down. I think Mustang Sally's. Oh, we're just coming up to Red Line now, which used to be the Mr. Sister Show Bar. And then a bit further down, you got Luna up on top, and then you've got Mustang Sally's. We've been look. Let's go and have a look. They've actually put red and white ballards at the top now. And that's to stop people trying to go over the top with bikes or scooters. I bet you, guarantee you, we get confrontation with. Do you want to book an excursion? No P20 in there. Let's have a look.
An information family.
No.
I like your camera, very portable.
Oh well, let's keep going. Best chicken burgers. Mustang Sally's there every night.
Oh, it looks like those from a proper shop.
Yeah, I'll just pan you around and let you know where Mustang Sally's, smash burgers, live entertainment. Well, I think we're going in here. We'll look busy and we'll get a seat. See how it goes. I've actually got a seat in Mustang Sally's. I've got some drinks and just pan you around, and the two large TVs over there, one with a Formula 1 Grand Prix, the qualifying I think is, or practice, another one with TV with football, two small ones up there. You can see there, the well presented bar, well turned out, and we've actually come and got the beer, and we ordered the beer, came to the table, and the young lad, Mustang Sally's, oh, what a sound person, very polite, and he couldn't do any more for you. So definitely, when we order the food, we'll do a bit of review on these smash burgers. They've got a good reputation, these smash burgers at Mustang Sally, so we're going to give them a try and see what all the hype's all about. Right, just finished our food at Mustang Sally's, and what can I say? Blown away. The burger was spot on. Good value for money. Really clean establishment. Well worth visit. So if you're in Canary Bay, come down to Mustang Sally's.
Pop in and see us, guys.
Thanks. Catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Well, welcome back. Well, we're on the hunt for some P20 sun cream for tomorrow, otherwise we're going to get burnt. It's supposed to be 29-30 degrees tomorrow. We're just coming past Murphy's now. Just coming past Murphy's bar now. We'll have to go up this hill, go by McDonald's, and we'll have to get some SP P20 sun cream. No, the ramp for wheelchair users and prams and scooter users. I'll tell you something, it's busy on that, on the old beach club out there. It's cooled down a bit. Oh, police are out again here. That looks good. Right. Hi Kevin.
How you doing?
Tony, Green's Adventures, mate.
Oh, Tony, how you doing?
Yeah, well, we just partied with some merchandise, and we've just bumped into Kevin, Scotsman in Tenerife. What a cracking fella. We've actually had a conversation, a few pictures. We gave him the ultimate and exclusive, the Green's Adventures pen and bottle opener. Anyway, I think he's going to put a link to his video and to our channel, so you have to drop on Kevin and have a look at his channel for the link.